I am a player with a lot of pace. I'm a player that loves the link-up play. So I hope I can give this to the team, and together we can achieve more. Just 2 months ago in the AFCON, I was watching the team on the television, and I was nervous for every game they played. I was supporting the team, and 2 3 months later, I got called up to join this squad. It was really a shock for me, to be very honest. But thank God for everything. Um, and to represent Nigeria over more than 200 million people is something I really see to be an honor. It's a privilege that I must not take for granted, and I have to push to the maximum.